Hey, car enthusiasts, tired of dealing with tangled cables in your car? I've got just the thing to transform your drive. The Carlinkit 5.0 wireless adapter. Imagine this. You hop into your car, plug this sleek little device into your USB port, and voila! You've got seamless wireless CarPlay and Android Auto at your fingertips. No more messy cables, just pure convenience. Accessing your maps, music, and calls has never been easier. With the Carlinkit 5.0, everything is wireless. It's like your car just got a major tech upgrade. And the best part? It's a plug-and-play setup. No complicated installations, no headaches. Just plug it in, and you're good to go. Plus, it works with most cars out there, ensuring a smooth and stress-free experience. Think about it. A drive where you're not fumbling with cables, where every journey feels more relaxed and enjoyable. The Carlinkit 5.0 gives you that freedom and simplicity we all crave. So if you're ready to upgrade your ride and ditch the wires, the Carlinkit 5.0 wireless adapter is your go-to. Transform your drive today and experience wireless convenience like never before. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome car tech updates.